everyone, good morning. So this is my second day today here, and I thought to give you guys a small tour of my stay. So that is my stay, yeah, that one. And see, here's the beach. So the water was up to this much yesterday night, and now it's morning 7 a.m. and it's low tide now, so you can see lots of rocks over there. And this place is quite um, nice and very quiet place, so it's very good for who want to spend the time beside the sea or something. So you can hear the shore of the sea. Yesterday I got scared because the water was this much at night, and I thought it may come, but it's not like that. So yeah, let's come to see how we can come up to here. So there is a very nice road. Let me yes, see. This is actually they are making for for the people who can come through drive, because we have parked our scooty over there and up. So the people who will come by car or bike or something, they can park over here, and they are making it actually. We have only 2 rooms right now in this resort. They are making it. It's not yet finished. The name of this stay is Rockview stay, Rockview homestay. So let me show you the name of this stay, and you can get this in Agoda also. So I booked through Agoda. The charge I paid is 2000 per night. So yesterday I came at 2:30 p.m. and I'll check out tomorrow. So today is Eid also. Eid Mubarak to everyone. Very happy Eid. So see, this is the entry point. Yeah, the name is actually Rockview House. I don't know if you can see or not. Let me show you through back camera. Yes, this is the name of this stay, Beach House. Rocks Beach House, sorry, I was saying Rockview. So yeah, this is the road in front of this stay, and see this fruit. It's so beautiful, right? We came through this road, and when we came yesterday, we spent almost 15 minutes here because I went through this gate and I saw there's nothing. I saw this sea only, and I thought maybe I got fraud or something. So I came up to this and I saw there's one room where I am staying right now, and I saw nobody is I didn't see anyone. So I thought there's nobody's living over here or something. So I was just going back. At that moment the caretaker came and he said that no, the room is down, that's the room, so please come. So then went and checked checked in for the stay. So yeah, let's go that side now. I will show you what all they have. Currently they have only 2 rooms, and one more family is also there with me in the other room. So room is very simple, not the luxury type or something, but the view from here is really awesome. So they are actually making it, as I said also before. See here, that all those things they are making right now, but the bad thing over here is there are many red ants, so be aware of that. So see the view. So it's not yet sunrise or something. So see the view from here. So this is another room, and that's where I am staying. So I think they will make some rooms in up also. This is the small resort. You can go from that side also. Let's go from this side and see what we can see. All these things are under construction. So I think once it get done, the view from here is already awesome. But the things will come up very nice. See the rocks here. I think the landslide also happened because see all these things are some. Can you see one boat over there? Yeah, that's the boat. Yesterday when I came at 2:30 p.m. there were lots of boats were going. I think all those are fishermen boats. So yeah, so this was a small tour of my stay. I will check out tomorrow what type of fruit it is. Do you guys know? If you guys know about this fruit, please write down in comment section. I don't know, I am seeing this for the first time. Okay, so bye bye. So today I have planned to go the island, and we'll explore some beaches because I will check out tomorrow morning, as when the sun is up, so the heat is very much right now, as it's today is the last day of summer, March, sorry, but I'm saying summer just came, so it's very hot. So thought to start the ride from morning. Let's see what happens, but can't explore anything tomorrow morning. That's the plan. Today I will go for the island, and after that I don't have any plan right now. So maybe we'll explore some beaches or something. So the trek have been cancelled because it will take almost 4 to 5 hours, and if I give 4 to 5 hours for the trek, I will be not gonna explore the other things. So that will be in my bucket list. I will come again and I will go for the trek maybe in winter. Oh, one thing I have just saw. See those flowers, no? We have in my home. Actually, we call this April flower, but I think this is a lily, and I can see one bird also there. Yeah, I don't know the name of this bird. Do you guys know? If yes, then please comment. Is this a I don't know. Actually, I don't know. So yeah, so okay. So ending this small tour vlog here. There are lots of flowers. Yeah, it's looking very beautiful. Wow. This comes out from bulb. Okay, if I start talking about the flowers, I will talk a lot, so you guys will get bored eventually. So let's end up this video here only, the small tour about my stay. And I have said about I have said the name, I've said from where I found this stay. So with this video I will attach anything possible. I will take the number of the owner and I will attach that also, so that you can directly call and book if it's there. I will ask firstly. Okay, so let's ending this let's end up this video here, and we'll start again from I will show what I get in breakfast. They said they will give it by 8 o'clock, so I will take the shower now and I will get freshen up, and after that by 9 I will go for the island. Yeah, so we will meet again in the island. Till then, bye bye. I'm stepping towards the beach now. So there is no proper road. It's just I thought to come like this. Let's see. Yeah. Yep. Yay. So finally I made it, because I was not seeing any road over there to come up to this. So I think there they built already. So yeah, there's the sun, and I think it's you can see that. Yeah, this is broken, I think, for the wave or something, so they are making it again. And that's my stay, and I came through that, rocks. So yeah, so let's go. Just want to, yeah. Ooh. Okay, I will not go more because I am scared of water. I have a phobia. I just came to collect some shells or maybe one small rock, but I am not seeing anything, unfortunately. The beach is very clean. There is no shell. Oh, look at this. This one shell is broken. Look at this. Oh, this is a rock. It's very beautiful. All these rocks were under the water yesterday at the time of high tide. When I came, that time also there's like high tide, and at night also it was full high tide. So water was up to here, So I think there's nothing in the beach, so that I can collect something. Yeah, this is nice. It's not taking photos. Oh God, take the photo. Yeah. Okay, let's go up, and I will take the shower, and after breakfast we'll go for some other places. I will share. Till then, bye bye. So I started the vlog. I thought I will start from at the time of breakfast, but as I came on the beach, I thought to start now. So that's my chappal. Okay, bye bye. Take care, everyone.